it's April 19th, 2021. I got a call from a guy. I actually got a call from him yesterday. But they said his heat was going on and off, and he thought it was a programmable thermostat. And he called his son-in-law, and he turned it up, and it worked. So he thought it was a false call. He's calling me back again today, saying that the thing's going on and off, and now it's not running. So I know it's a Goodman 90+ furnace, and that was the same house I changed that Honeywell damper on a couple of months back. So maybe it's a flame sensor or something. I don't know. I never really dug into that unit and checked it out. So we're going over there now. I know it's dark down here, but he says that's the one he's having an issue with. Maybe it's maybe it's a zone damper. But anyway, we're going there now, and supposedly his wife's there to let me in or something. Fine, give it to you. How you doing? Oh man, Miss Molly, you love your sweater, Miss Molly. Yeah, you like your new sweater. Yeah, I know you do.
Turn left on Goodman 90 South.
Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. See if we can figure out what's going on with it. Can't stop a Goodman. Oh man, not to stop a Goodman, man, mama. This is the one here he's talking about, I believe. Open here. I don't know if it's calling. This was open, so I don't think it's calling. It might not be calling. I wonder what the flame sensor looks like on this baby. Maybe we get that. I think he's got them fake Nest thermostats on this thing. I think that's what it is. ECM motor. What a piece of shit that thing is. Look at that. All these wires. It's an ECM motor. Oh, she's not hot. Let's jump out red and white and see what happens. Red and white. That's right. That's them two. Three. Those 3 blinks. Not sounding so well, there is it. There we go. Blinks. Low fire pressure switch failed to close. Boy, it doesn't sound like this fan's working so well, does it? Things are red hot. Sounds like there's water in this thing. Sounds like there's water in there. Sounds like the thing's sloshing around with water in it. That's what it sounds like to me. Sounds like that's blocked. What's wrong with that? How you doing, Mama? There's our problem right there. It's full of water. A blockage. Should work now. Let's try it again. Forgot to plug in the vacuum switch there, Mama.
How you doing?
All right, this thing had a bunch of water in it. This leg here, so this code was a 3 blinker, which meant that this vacuum switch wasn't pulling in. It's because it was full of water.
Is that like a humidifier?
No, you see this little port right here?
Yeah.
Had a bunch of shit in it. See all this?
Oh.
So it should drain out when it wasn't. See it all in the bucket?
Yep.
Still giving a 3 blink code, but she fired up this time. That might have been what the issue was, you know, it just needed a little, how you doing? You get your shot? You're not doing it.
You can't get it until May the 1st.
Why is that?
That goes through the VA.
Oh, okay.
They'll do my wife, and she doesn't have to, she's in a wheelchair, she doesn't have to get out of the car.
Well, that's nice.
Just pull it from that.
I probably should change the flame sensor while I'm here. It's still doing a 3 blink code though.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's not. No, it's 2, 3, 4, 5. You can hear the ECM motor ramping up. I just jumped it out down here to get it to run.
Yeah.
But she is running now. How come your thermostats aren't calling for heat? Oh, they are upstairs.
Well,
they should be, right?
I got it at 72 degrees and it wouldn't go on.
All right, let me see.
Like that?
No, I just shut it off and the thermostats aren't calling.
You want me to put them up?
Yeah, why don't you go turn them up? Because
Both of them?
yeah, because she just shut off. It should. I want to clean that flame sensor while I'm here, but I want you to turn them both up. I'm just going to clean the flame sensor while I'm here. I just want to clean this flame sensor while I'm here. Can't stop a Goodman, Mama. Just want to see what this flame sensor looks like while I'm here. It's a common thing. It should be done every couple of years. I don't think it's ever been done here in this one. Well, not too bad, but while I'm here. Alright, well, I'm just going to clean it while I'm here, the flame sensor, because it should be done every couple of years. This might have been, I don't think that was the problem, but it could be a potential problem in the future if it gets dirty. What it'll do is it'll turn on and shut right off.
So you staying busy?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm busy as a divorce lawyer.
What's that?
I'm busy as a divorce lawyer.
What, are you getting divorced?
No.
No?
No, I already did that.
Oh.
I said I'm busy as one. No, I did that once. I'm not doing it a second time. Why, would you?
You what?
Would you? Would you get married a second time?
Nope.
See?
I'm gonna be married 65 years in June.
I did it one time. One's good for me. One
I told
time.
my wife, at 65, if you're married 65 years, you should be able to retire from your wife. I don't think she's gonna go along with it though.
65. I mean, been married all them years, huh?
Yep.
She's gonna be.
Long time.
You know, she's going to heaven.
No, I'm going there. Non-stop.
Alright, so it should fire up now, and it should be good. Why don't we button it back up? And I mean, there was water in there. That's probably what our problem was, you know? So you got them both turned up, right?
Yep. Both up at 73.
Yeah, because I jumped out my, I jumped this thing out and it should have fired. We got the thermostat back on.
Yep.
Unless there's a delay on it. That's them fake.
Well, it's been funny. Like this morning, it went on again, like around 6:30 in the morning.
Are you sure that they're not on setback?
What do you mean?
Because you said they're programmed.
No, they're not.
They're not programmable?
Yeah, they are programmed, but they're not set back.
They're not set back.
No.
Is it 73 in the house or is it?
No, 60, 66, I think it is.
Alright, we clean the flame sensor. Alright, fire it up. Things aren't lighting up. That one's on, but it's not lighting up for some reason. They're both open. I checked my voltage. I had 24 volts here. This is on. This is running.
What should be done?
No, the filter's fine.
Yeah.
I mean, when they're dirty. That thing might last you 3-4 years, that air beer. Yeah, that's because it's a big, it's 5-inch, right? Alright, so clean condensate drain, and we clean the flame sensor. It was definitely blocked. You could hear the water sloshing around in there.
Well, I know we could hear water. We didn't know where the hell it was coming from though.
So, we're good now. I mean, let's now clean the flame sensor. You should be fine.
Yeah.
You got both thermostats calling. You know, I would figure that there would be, the lights would be on when it's open, but then they're not working, the lights.
Well, that one seems to be on when it's not working. When it's not calling for it.
Well, we know that part's working. This is what the problem was. I don't want to stop playing around with shit, this old stuff, and as long as it's still working, we leave it alone.
Yeah, exactly.
What an old beast, huh? Can't stop a Goodman.
Yeah. Are they good? Good ones? Yeah.
Not really, but
No.
I do it as a joke.
No.
You're popping out of the sweater, Molly. You're popping out of the sweater.